This is Kelly and Jessica. About a month ago, these two beginners had never made a single dime from dropshipping. Today, I'm cutting them a check for over $7,000. So the time is now to give out the winners, and we got two of them. We got Kelly and we got Jessica, $3,750 each, heading to their pockets right now. Let's go ahead and do it. You guys see it, $3,750. Auto Ecom Challenge 2 winner. Let's go ahead and do it. Congratulations to Jessica. Hey, that's fresh cash in that pocket, but we are not done. We got one more. All right, we got the second winner. We got Kelly right here, $3,750 coming her way. Congratulations, girl. Let's go ahead and get you some money. All right, you see the send button. Sent all the way to Kelly. Congratulations. More money, more blessings, and more opportunities to keep investing into your online business. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what they did to win that cash and how you can be next. Because the competition these two just won some serious money in is still live, happening right now inside my free Discord. People are still competing, and there's still $70,000 waiting for you at the finish line. So pay close attention, because this video might be the thing that actually gets you there. Now, real quick, if you're new here, the Auto Ecom $100,000 Challenge is a 90-day competition where everyday people build real ecom stores and compete for serious cash prizes. No experience required, no huge budget is needed. We have thousands of people doing this together, complete beginners and seasoned sellers, all going after the same goal. And Challenge 2 was all about product research, finding a winning product and building out the product page that they're going to be running ads on. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I didn't expect people to go this hard, this fast. So let me show y'all exactly how Jessica and Kelly were able to win this $7,000, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull up each one of their stores now. All right, so this is Jessica's store right here, and I'm gonna walk through real quick why this store won that huge cash giveaway. And honestly, it's because the effort, the branding, the time that she actually put into it. But let me go ahead and break down this diagnostic real quick of giving you exactly why this store is a winner. So first thing right away for me is that I know exactly what they're selling and why they're selling this product and who they're selling it to before I ever even scroll past this top part. Right away, we have a clear value proposition right under the price. You can see they're using like bulleted points with icons, highlighting the big three, which is like reducing puffiness, defining the jawline, and no surgery or needles. Their hero image, like this first image that I'm seeing on the store, is visual trust. Like, I already know exactly what the product is going to be able to do, and I know that this looks like a high-end beauty brand and not like a generic AliExpress import. So another thing that she did really well is like the urgency without cringe. So she's using seasons and holidays to her advantages. As you're seeing, this is obviously a women's product, and in her top banner it says Mother's Day sale 50% off. But as you scroll down, you're gonna notice that it says sale ending in about 7 hours. So this is not making it look like a scammy 2015 dropshipping site. This is highlighting a real holiday that's happening right now and making sure there's a really high quality sale behind it. So I think she did really great with that. Now, one of the best things that she did is really focusing on increasing her AOV, or average order value, and the optimization behind it. So as you can see, she's not just trying to sell one unit. I mean, she's really trying to push the bundle. You can see the duo and the ultimate bundle, and you can notice how they label the 2-unit pack as the most loved choice, which is going to nudge a customer to spend $51 instead of $29, because that is what everybody else is buying. But she doesn't even stop there. She continues to keep optimizing her offer by giving this free gift with her order of this Yoga for Pregnant Ladies ebook. And since this is a digital product, it's going to cost her as a seller $0 to deliver, but adds massive perceived value to the bundle. Now, she's showing real people using the product, and that's one of the first things that people are seeing is that real social proof. So that is honestly a really good standout here. And throughout her product page, you can notice that she has really great benefit driven copywriting, like showing off what the transformation is. She understands that transformation is the #1 selling point with this product. What is someone gonna look like before versus after using it? And she highlights that not just well with her copywriting, but also with her images as well. You know, you have to understand that people are not gonna be buying products, they buy better versions of themselves. And she highlights that very well with lines like, snatch your jawline in just 2 weeks, no surgery and no downtime. So right away, you know that she knows who her customer is, and she knows exactly what their insecurities are. And for products like this that are supposed to be pushing out a transformation, everybody before they buy it is going to be asking, okay, well, how does this thing work? And she also did a really great job with this in this section, breaking it down in 3 simple steps. So this ultimately just reduces that cognitive load and making the customer feel like achieving the result is easy and effortless. And I'm telling you guys, like, all these images, all this UGC, all these before and after, even coming down to the reviews, like, she did so well with just really aggressive social proof, showing off real feedback. All these reviews include specific details about shipping speed, material quality, and even use cases like the customer using it for pregnancy puffiness. So giving like real avatars and real examples of people who would be buying this product, so when people do come to her website, they can relate to all these other people. Now, what I also like is that you're seeing that there's a mix, right? You're seeing Joshua, you're seeing Mike, you're seeing Salvatore, you're seeing men mix inside of these reviews as well as women too. So this gives her the chance to widen her target audience without having to change her product overall. And the last thing she does really well is just reduce the friction of why somebody wouldn't buy right then and there. So she has these sections in here like the 30-day money-back guarantee and the free shipping banners. They're plastered across the store. So this eliminates the final barrier to entry for a skeptical first-time buyer, which is who she's targeting at this moment. So honestly, she did a really great job with this product page, and this is winner one. So this was Jessica. Now let's go ahead and jump into Kelly's store. So here's Kelly's store, and you see she's taking advantage of these Mother Day sales as well. I love how these students are really just taking advantage of the seasons and the holidays that are actively happening right here and right now. Now, right away, what I love about this store is the visual authority and like the big brand feel. So why this stood out is because most dropshippers are always just using like supplier photos from AliExpress or whatever supplier they're using. But Kelly did the extra due diligence, and she used high resolution, custom feeling assets that make this product look like a $200 medical device. I mean, even look at this hero image. It's clean, it's branded, and it uses professional text that's overlaying the features. But she doesn't only have still images, she also has GIF integrations too, showcasing the product and how it looks like in motion immediately. And honestly, I just really love the branding and the color palette here. I mean, using this like deep forest green color, it's screaming like the premium wellness and spa quality that a lot of people use for their type of branding colors. Now you see she really pride on getting her AOV up as well. So she has this like strength level upsell, right? And this is honestly a genius AOV play, where they're not just selling a color, they're selling a functionality, where she's really prying on this like tiered technology. They offer essential, deep care, thermal care, advanced recovery. Now, if you wanted to take a lesson from anything I'm saying, this is like a masterclass when it comes to upselling. A customer who just wanted a massager is now thinking, wait, do I need the thermal care for better blood flow? So this is really giving a better opportunity of giving more choices to the customer. By offering different heads, they just justify a higher price point and make the product feel customizable to the user specific pain points. Here's even more visuals right at the top of the product page to really highlight that social proof. Again, really great job here. Now, another thing that she did really well is data-backed proof points. I mean, this section right here speaks for itself. I mean, this page moves away from trust me as a seller and moves towards what the data actually says. So with this statistic block, it's saying things like 96% reported smoother thighs, 97% experienced faster recovery. You see, these specific numbers stop the scroll and it turns a maybe into a statistically likely, changing the mindset of where people are at when they're viewing this page. While then right after that, showcasing before and after visualization. And this isn't hidden. I mean, this is front and center with a 4-week timeline, ultimately setting a realistic expectation for the customer while still promising a massive transformation. Now, one of my favorite things about this store is definitely the us versus them comparison table. Now, why this works is because this is the ultimate objection slayer, right? So the positioning here is they list Scope Pro against all the others in the market. And by checking every box like heating, suction, and all the other points, while the others only have like red X's, this is what makes buying from other stores look and feel like it's a mistake. And notice how they highlight guidance as a feature, where they're not just selling a tool, they're selling the knowledge of also how to use it. And I think that's a huge point. Even down to the frequently asked questions. Again, this is something that people are not putting effort into right away. But think about this, if you can answer all of your customers' questions like right out the gate and not have them start looking around at other competitors or not having them email your customer service, and you can answer all their questions right here, right now, you're going to get that impulse buy every single time.
I had left the 9-to-5 in December, full-time doing this now.
The mentorship is everything. The mentorship gives you every tool, necessity, bit of knowledge that you need.
Let you guys know about my experience with the team. They have truly changed my life.
This is stressing me out right now, but like you just said, like $200 to $45,000, like that's crazy.
I'm coming on here to express my full gratitude for Supreme Ecom.
Man, I'm telling y'all, these girls went crazy on these product pages. And you guys let me know in the comment section which one of these two is your favorite. And I might even give away a free consulting call for whoever comments. But listen, even as complete beginners, they are getting paid and they started exactly where you are right now. So now I want to go ahead and show you guys a tool that's going to help you over these next couple of challenges coming up and give you a real shot at being on that screen and getting the chance of winning that remaining $70,000 payout. Now look, most people in this challenge are going to do everything right. Create the best product page, find the right product, and still lose to someone who figured out one thing that they didn't, and that's fulfillment. I mean, think about it. You can have the perfect product page, the perfect product, and still lose a customer forever because your fulfillment was trash. Slow shipping, wrong item, no tracking, game over. So listen, if you want to win that additional $70,000, you need a fulfillment system that actually works. And that's exactly why we partner with the best fulfillment tool there is on the market. And I want to introduce you to TeamDrop. Now, this is the tool right here. And I cannot stress it enough that this is gonna be such a crucial component for the remainder of this challenge. Now, let me go ahead and show you guys how to actually use it to your advantage. All right, so once you're inside TeamDrop, the first thing you're gonna go in and do is find your supplier for the product that you wanna sell. And the easiest way to do this, instead of typing the product name and hoping something comes up, is to take a screenshot of your product and then search it right here. Now, when your results come up, you're gonna see 3 different sourcing options. And I want you to pay attention to this because it matters. The first option, and this is the best case scenario, is if TeamDrop already has it in their own inventory. Now, if they do, you can list it straight to your store right then and there. Done. Like, no waiting at all. The second option is sourcing through 1688 or Taobao. So if you find something that you want to move forward with, you submit a sourcing request, and then that typically comes back in around 40 minutes, which is still solid. And now the third option, and honestly, one of my by far favorites, is your private agent through WhatsApp. So what you do is you just grab your store ID right here in TeamDrop. Here's mine right here. And then you just send that over to your agent when they reach out. From there, you can literally just send them screenshots of whatever product that you're looking at. And then they will come back with pricing, shipping costs, everything, all the same day. No manual searching and no guessing needed. Now, they are based in China, so their working hours run between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. their time. Just something to keep in mind. But they are extremely hands-on and they always get it done. And then right here is your sourcing results. And here you can see everything that they've been able to find, whether you source it yourself or your agent found it for you. All you have to do is just pick the one with the right variant and the best shipping time, and then from there you just import it straight to your store. This is exactly the kind of tool that separates the winners from everyone else. You see, the people that are chasing that $70,000, they're going to be running this. I guarantee it. And if you want to take full advantage of that so you get the best outcome for this challenge, the link is in the description if you want to get in and start navigating it on your own. Now listen, if you've been watching from the sidelines, this is your sign. The challenge is live right now. People are already competing and that $70,000 is still up for grabs. You just watch real people get real payouts, and that could be you at the end of this thing. You don't need experience. All you need to do is just start. So if you think you got a real shot at this, which I know you do, go to autoecomchallenge.com right now and get signed up. And the link is also right in the description right below this video. And it's 100% free for you to go ahead and join this challenge today. Or even better, you can also drop a comment down below with the word fulfill, and I'll personally make sure that you get everything that you need to compete. Thousands of people are already in this with you. So come on in and get the best opportunity of changing your life forever. I'll see you guys at the next payout. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.